Hello everyone, we are doing a study plan on LeetCode named SQL 50. It's day 17, query 17, and we are on the basic aggregate functions. So let's get started with our query. Project employees, we have a table project which has two columns, project ID and employee ID. Project ID, employee ID is the primary key of this table. Employee ID is a foreign key to employee table. Each row of this table indicates that the employee with employee ID is working on a project with project ID. Means in this table we have the project ID and the ID of employee working on that project. Then we have second table employee, which has three columns: employee ID, name, experience, years. Employee ID is the primary key of this table. This guaranteed that experience year is not null. Each row of this table contains information about one employee. So this is the primary key, and here if you see the employee ID is the foreign key. So that means we will make a on condition on these. And then let's see the question. Write a SQL query that reports the average experience year of all the employees for each project. Okay, so we have to find the average experience year of employees for each project. For project we have to find, not for employee, for project. Round to the two digits, return the result in any order. Let's see, we have this table: project ID, employee ID, second table employee ID, name, experience, and then in the output we want project ID. If you see, we have the project ID and the average years of experience on the particular project. Let's start with the query. If you are following the series, I think you should pause the video and do it yourself. I think if you have done the previous questions, you should be able to solve this one. Otherwise, let's get started. We will write in the other order of execution: from project, then join employee. After writing this much, we have both the tables with us. And as we saw in the question as well, this is the foreign key of this table. This is the primary key of this table. So also by seeing also, it is pretty clear that we will put on condition on this one only. On the employee ID equals to employee ID, one from the project and other from the employee. And let's see, timing I will do select star. Let's see what we are getting in the result table. Run. So this is the result table after joining both the tables. So here you can see, right, we have the project 1, employee ID 1, whose name is Khalid, worked for 3 years on the project 1. Then Ali worked for 2 years on the project 1. John worked for 1 year on the project 1. So if you see the question, we have to find the year of experience of all employee for each project. That means it will become something like, for project 1, a person worked for 3 years, then one person worked for 2, one worked for 3, for 1. Then what will be the average? Divided by 3, right? For project 2, we have 3 and 2. So for 2 it will be 3 plus 2 divided by 2. So this is how we will find the uh, average. And if you see, we are doing it together, that means we are grouping it based on the project ID. For 1 we are making one group, and for 2 we are making one group. So let's see, let's start. We will write what we want in the result. We want the project ID, so it will become project dot project ID. Also we have to group it based on the project ID only, right? Group by project ID, so that one group will become for 111 and one group will become for 22. And now after this one, how we will find the average? We have the aggregate function avg, average, and the experience year 321. So that will become employee dot experience year, experience years, right? Let me remove this one. And finally we have given that we have to round to the two digits. So for that also we know we have to use round function here, and then comma 2. This is how we will write as, what is the name, average years will be the name of column. So let's submit this one. Oh, I didn't run it, but I think it will work. Yeah, this is working. So this is how we will write a solution for this query. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are following the series, please subscribe to my channel.